In this video, I'll show you how to create a bar graph in Excel. If you only need to see how to do one particular step, you can click Show More at the bottom of the description below this video, and click any timestamp to jump to that part of the video. And if you're building a graph of your own while watching, don't forget that you can pause and rewind at any time. Now let's get started. So I have a sheet already open that's a combination of qualitative data, teacher names, and quantitative data, minutes of homework assigned. I'm going to go ahead and select the data I want to graph. I could just graph these two columns of data, but let's go ahead and graph all three to create a double bar graph. Now I'll come up here and click Insert. Remember that in Excel, graphs are called charts. I like to start by coming over here to Recommended Charts, and I'll choose Clustered Column, which is what Excel calls vertical bar graphs. Now let's click and drag to resize our graph to make it easier to work with. And we need to label each axis, so come up here and click Add Chart Element, then Axis Titles, and click Primary Horizontal. Now click here in the formula bar, and I'll type Teacher, and I'll hit Return. Now for the y-axis, come back up to Add Chart Element, then Axis Titles, and this time Primary Vertical. Now click here in the formula bar, and I'll type Homework, and we'll put the unit minutes in parentheses. When I'm done typing, I'll hit Return. Last thing we need to do is give our graph a proper title, so let's click on the chart title and click in the formula bar. And we want to title this with Y versus X, so in our case that's Homework versus Teacher. Now press Return. And with that, it looks like our bar graph is complete.